everyone, how you all? Today I brought another tutorial for you all and it can be very informative. So let's see what's the topic today. Today's topic is difference between and. Sometimes we use and as a symbol in place of and, right? But are they interchangeable? Can we use them anywhere, anytime? Or is there any particular rule to use them? So today I am going to discuss about their rules, like when to use them, how to use them in this tutorial. So I would suggest you not to skip it and please watch it from the beginning till the end. It's a very small video. So let's begin. And have the same meaning. Sometimes we use and as a symbol in place of this word and, but they are not interchangeable. We can't use and as a symbol in place of and always. So there are some particular rules. What are they? Let's see. And is called an ampersand. And is used as a symbol for and. And is used as a symbol for and. Sometimes it is used as a space saver. Like and takes a space for 3 letters, whereas and takes a space only for 1 letter. And cannot replace and in formal writing. We cannot replace and by the symbol and in formal writing. When you're writing formally, like when you're writing articles, when you're writing reports, when you're writing English for English literature, you cannot replace and by the symbol and. So in formal writing, and symbol as a symbol is not acceptable. And connects 2 nouns or used in titles. So and as a symbol connects 2 nouns, 2 proper nouns, or it can be used in titles or in the names of companies. For example, Barnes & Nobles, Johnson & Johnson, R&D. Like you might have observed, and is used as a symbol in the names of companies. And it is acceptable here. And is acceptable in informal writings. For example, when you're chatting, when you're sending messages, or when you're writing English in your social media accounts, or whenever you're writing informally, you can use and as a symbol in place of and, A-N-D. Like I like bread and butter. Shruti and Hari are my friends and Sam is my best friend. So you can use this symbol in place of and when you're writing informally. Okay? Now and is used as a conjunction which connects 2 nouns, phrases or sentences, and as a symbol connects 2 nouns. But and is used as a conjunction to connect 2 nouns, 2 phrases, 2 sentences. It works as a bridge between 2 sentences, 2 nouns or 2 phrases. For example, I have done my work and I will leave now. Here you see and is used as conjunction and it is joining 2 sentences. If you write like I have done my work and I will leave now, it won't be correct grammatically, it won't be accepted in formal writing. Pen and pencil. Here we are joining 2 nouns by using and as a conjunction. Okay? And is used in formal and informal writing. So we can use and in formal as well as in informal writing. And can replace and. But and as a symbol can't replace and always because it is not accepted in formal writing. But and is acceptable everywhere. whether it is formal or informal writing. Okay, so this was all about and, and. I hope you have understood well. Now you will not do any mistake while using and as a symbol and and as a word. Okay, so if you have liked this video, then please press like, and you can leave your comment also. And do not forget to subscribe my channel by pressing this bell icon so that you may get notification for the next tutorial. Very soon I'll bring another tutorial for you all. Till then, take care. Bye bye.